Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving into the captivating world of Korean cuisine. We're going to explore the savory and spicy realm of Korean Yukgaejang. But wait, there's more. We'll also be revealing some lesser-known facts that will leave you astounded. So, buckle up, and let's dive right in. Here is our star of the show, Korean Yukgaejang. Before we unveil the unknown, let's briefly explore the history of Yukgaejang. This delectable dish dates back to the Goryeo dynasty in the 12th century. Initially called Yukgaejang, it was renowned as a medicinal soup to invigorate warriors on the battlefield. Over time, it evolved into the beloved Yukgaejang we enjoy today. Beyond its incredible taste, Yukgaejang offers numerous health benefits. Besides being an excellent source of protein, it contains a blend of medicinal herbs like ginseng, jujube, and Korean angelica root. These ingredients contribute to its reputation as a natural remedy for colds, fatigue, and even promoting blood circulation. Now, here's an intriguing fact. The secret spice behind Yukgaejang's fiery flavor is none other than Gochugaru. This vibrant red pepper powder is a staple in Korean cuisine and is responsible for giving Yukgaejang its characteristic spiciness. Korea's diverse culinary landscape means there are regional variations of Yukgaejang. In certain areas, you might find ingredients like mushrooms, perilla seeds, and even squash added to the soup. Each variation brings its own unique twist to this beloved dish. Yukgaejang holds a special place in Korean culture, especially during the cold winter months. Traditionally, families would gather around a bubbling pot of Yukgaejang during the Lunar New Year to wish for good health and fortune in the coming year. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. In some modern versions of Yukgaejang, you might find unconventional ingredients like coffee grounds or chocolate added to enhance its complexity. While it might sound unusual, these innovative twists can create surprisingly delightful flavors. Yukgaejang's popularity has extended to the world of pop culture. You might have spotted this dish in popular Korean dramas, where it's often portrayed as a heartwarming comfort food enjoyed by characters during pivotal moments. And there you have it, unknown facts about the delightful Korean Yukgaejang. From its historical roots to its secret spices and unusual variations, this dish is truly an epitome of Korean culinary artistry. Next time you savor a bowl of Yukgaejang, you'll have a deeper appreciation for its rich cultural heritage and health benefits. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. If you have any other fascinating topics you'd like us to explore, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating!